And be careful, a lot of girls here are cute, but they're definitely on the spectrum. Yeah, so they're like over 75% on the spectrum. So yeah, just be kind to them. Hey, taco, taco, a taco, taco, a taco, taco. Hey, give me a taco, taco. Give me a taco, taco. Ready? Okay, ready? Go get it. Come on, get it. What happened? What happened?
Generator for something?
Hell no, I brought my own little Ryobi.
Alright.
Dude, generators are so 90s. Come on, dude, it's 2022. You're technically on the clown spectrum? Clown spectrum? It's your clown spectrum? Oh. I'm